Make a list. Spell your name. In.
That's what you're in kindergarten. You write in on paper and say ick.
Cake. I'm gonna change your name to Ick. You're gonna be Ick. Ick Howard Schwartz.
Mine. Or.
Where's your eyes?
Eyes.
What are you doing?
Nose.
Where's your eyes?
Nose.
Nose. Where's your mouth? Where's your hair?
Light.
Where's your hair?
Light.
No, where's your hair? Where's your butt?
What?
Where's your feet? Feet. Where's your hair? Where's your butt? Where's your gigi? Where's your tummy? Yeah. Show me your belly. Show me your belly. Nick, show me your belly. See the belly. Show me your tummy. Where's your toes?
Have it.
You miss Maverick and Farrah. Farrah. Good. And Maverick. Good job. Say love you. No. Say love you, Maverick. Blow him a kiss. Go mwah. Say love you, Farrah.